Hey guys, back with another video.
Wait, before the video goes on, if you're not subscribed, subscribe. Thanks. Okay, I'll go. Bye.
Stop it, get out of here. We're reviewing each other. Okay guys, back with another video. Wait, did I forget the intro? No, I didn't forget the intro. Okay. Today we're gonna be not reviewing the Cars Relating to Thailand version. We're gonna review that next time. Well, we're reviewing the Rusteze Racing Center Lightning McQueen. Okay. So I bought this 1 year ago and I kept thinking what else should I review, so I just wanted to review this. I was too excited, that's why I wanted to review this before the other cars I tell you in the other video to review. So yeah, now let's start with the review. I like it so much. I like it so much because it's tires and I like it. I haven't played with this for like 1 year already, but when I just first got it, I was too excited to open it because I love cars so much. Yeah. And yeah, so today, here is it. Let's compare to the Thailand version of the Cars Lightning McQueen. Okay, the eyes are not similar. He has mad eyes with a smiley face, and him a smiley face. So fun. I like this one, but this one's cooler. This one's better than this one, maybe, or maybe this one's better than this. Vote in the comments down below. Okay, so look at this. Yeah, the spoiler's smaller while this one's bigger than this one. While the wheels, look at this. The wheels looks quite, it's light red, while this one is maroon maybe. Is it maroon or light or dark? I mean red. Vote down. Not down. Up. You see? Yeah, not down anymore. Up. Okay. Remember that. Okay. Or maybe the comments might be up or down in your phone or iPad. And just vote in the comments. Yeah, vote in the comments if this is maroon or dark red. I kind of like it. Ooh, some parts are golden. Golden there. There's golden. Golden. The Rusty's golden. Wow, there's some golden parts. And yeah. Wow. Actually, this McQueen is bigger than this. Yeah. Okay. What else should we review? The mount. The mount looks similar to another Lightning McQueen, maybe. Yeah, looks similar. And this one doesn't look familiar to me. But this one, the mount looks familiar to me. Look at it. The mount. This mount looks familiar to me while this one's not, okay? So, that's it for the review. Bye, guys. Please like and subscribe. Wow, that trimmer just appeared. Okay, bye, guys.